My boy's official fisherman. Just came back from busting down the trout skis. Why would you do that, bro? Why? Come here. Come here. Come here, man. Oh! I'm out of here.
Hello. What's you at work?
You don't go till 6.
See online.
Tell her you don't go till 6.
He said, I gotta bring this to work. He has work at 1.
I thought you had work at 1.
Fucking idiot.
Well, how you gonna blame him? I usually do go to work at 1. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh, why is it silent?
Tell me, baby, is you fucking with me or you fucking with me? Cause I blow. Damn, either way I fuck with you.
What's going on, man? Guys, how's everybody's day going? What's on? Why is there crickets in the car? Guys, why is there crickets, guys?
James.
Jamer, man.
Merry Christmas, man. Long time no see.
I'm sorry. What's up, bro? I've seen this nigga in a minute. I'm sorry.
You sold.
Why?
You sold this morning.
I was supposed to bring something?
No, you're
supposed to bring yourself, nigga.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Fucking guy.
I'm so sorry about
Once I texted you the second time, I was like, yeah, this nigga's not coming, bro.
I'm gonna pay your whole shift off.
Is that so?
Yeah. I see that little smile. Smile. Yeah. What I really want to do is go to Argyle Lake.
Keep it a rack with
Okay.
niggas. Keep it a rack with niggas, bro.
Argyle it is.
No, see, y'all hate Argyle. Y'all hate on me for that. Don't go to Argyle. That's why I said South Haven.
Bro, pick one, bro.
Yo, you being mad indecisive right now. You can't
See
decide.
the camera bag and the new fishing bag?
It's love. I do see it.
I love. But you gotta go for yourself. Where your shit's at, gang?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
He just brought the shit out with him. He said, we ready.
Hey.
About to see it.
Hey. Alright, bro. Where we going, bro?
Head to Argyle.
Once we come back.
Tell South Haven.
Okay, flip a coin.
Yeah, get the coin shit on the phone, bro. Ask Google to flip a coin, bro.
Flip a coin.
Everyone's phone goes off.
Oh, wow, coin. A coin is a small
Nigga,
flat
you gotta do it
round
on
piece-
Google. That's what I'm saying, bro.
Siri, flip a coin. Tails. Tails.
Yeah, South Haven.
South Haven it is. See you guys there. You can see he's being quite cheeky here. We're doing ice fishing. You know what I'm saying? This is very crucial conditions here. -10, maybe 12. Real feel, -20.
You guys gotta be quiet.
Oh, I apologize.
I felt something. I felt a little nipple. Oh, you see that? Back up, and now set the hook.
He about to set the hook. Fucking hell, man. He's done it. Sion vs.
And then
Wild.
we fucked the hole.
Yep. Everybody get their cocks out. Holy cow. Look what you got this man doing. He's made it alive.
That's it, cracking at every step, bro. Yeah.
I'd say I'm a good 5% team. Here, Cracky? Oh my God. What? Is that a helix stone?
Helix stone, grab it.
Dude. Oh. Slipping and sliding on a hole. God damn, see?
Okay, guys, you guys gotta cross it.
What'd he say? What did he say? I gotta do what?
Oh, you big man, you gotta cross.
Well, guess what? I'm not gonna fucking cross your fucking twat, so you're gonna be stuck here forever.
I'm not trying to be like that, but you're actually fucking disgusting. You're actually nasty. solid. That's about your weight.
I would say so, innit? I would say so. Ice, soccer.
Let's play football.
World Cup. World Cup. World Cup. Cup, we get in the league. This is Guyana versus U.S. This is unbelievable footage, folks.
I'll take my penalty shot. Don't move.
Uh-oh. But James, he is just too quirky and stopped it. Fucking A. Fucking A. She's getting active. Oh.
Your boy, bro. It's your boy.
Yeah.
Stick in the trunk. I got a stick in the trunk. Roll the pump. Came with a shot. Set us up. I put my hitters and we pulling up. I get them jump. Hang with the ops and then you get a stomp. We ain't like it, bitch. What do you mean? Every one of my niggas on go. What do you mean? Every one of my niggas on go. I'm from 10,000. Just what do you mean? Every one of my niggas on go. I'm from 10,000. What do you mean? What do you mean? Every one of my niggas on go. I'm from 10,000. Just what do you mean? Every one of my niggas on go.
Tap in with me, bitch. Tap in.
T-shirt! The goats! The
On the
goats!
beats, bitch.